Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Well, today we're going to be, have you ever heard of cleaning everything in it except the kitchen sink? This is sort of what that is. Not really, but I was cleaning out my refrigerator and I thought, well, I'm going to use a lot of little bits that's been put back in little things. And it's actually a really good casserole. It's called olive salad and ham casserole. And I love olive salads, and but I make my own because it's pretty pricey. So that's what it is today, and it's wonderful. I think you will really enjoy it. First of all, I've got 8 cups of bread, and I've got 4 different kinds of bread in there. That's one reason I wanted to make it. I've got white bread, I've got wheat bread, I've got muffins, and so anyway, that's what we're going to use that for. And then I'm going to put it in this. So right now, we're going to make the mix that goes over it. Now here is, I've got about 2 cups of ham in here that I'm putting in there. I cut the ham off of a ham hock so I can put it in the freezer for my beans, if you know what I mean there. So it was just a combination of things today. First of all, put about a tablespoon of, I use Dijon, any kind of mustard, but a good flavored mustard. So a good tablespoonful. Just trying to get rid, okay. Our mustard, Alfredo sauce. I just get the classic, inexpensive Alfredo sauce. This is a very good one though. It's just Walmart's Walmart brand, but it's actually very good. And 2 eggs. Without the shells, of course. My family loves this too. And just a salad, you got a wonderful quick meal. Now, I put about 2 tablespoons of parsley. I do this because it just gives it that fresh flavor, you know. And about 1/3 cup of green onions. Now here's my olives. I put just regular olives, chopped them up, and some black olives. And with that, since I didn't have the olive salad, I'm going to put a tablespoonful of Italian seasoning. That's all Italian salad. Always is anyway. Now, I've got, the best cheese is the sliced Swiss or the chopped Swiss, but I also have some mozzarella and a little bit of another kind of cheese that was pieced, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and put those in there. Good way to get rid of that. Now, let's get a good mix. I got my oven heating for 350. This is another one of those salads and casseroles that smells so good when it's cooking. See, it just almost covers it perfectly. Wash this out a little bit. it mixed up very well. I found this the other day. I'm going to get the top off of it. It's olive oil spray. And since we use it all the time anyway, I thought, well, that'd be wonderful to get. Maybe. It would. Okay. Put a hint of this in my casserole dish. Sort of layer it with cheeses. This was just a little bit of Monterey Jack. Here's a piece of mozzarella. We both throw some of that in there. Hey, you can't go wrong with cheese. But that's my theory always. Let's finish it off. I'll mush it down a little bit. Now you can use any kind of bread you want to. And you can, even if I put cheese in there, ham in there, you can actually put other cheeses in there. Meat. Pepperoni. You put some pepperoni in it. I'm putting the Swiss on top. That's one of my favorite cheeses is Swiss. And I had so much cheese left over the other day that this was a good time to make it. Our casserole. Okay, we got a good casserole there. Now, I'm going to put it in the oven for 350, about 40 minutes. And then I'll take the aluminum foil off. About 15 minutes before we take it out. I think we've got a good one going here. Well, it's ready to take our casserole out. And you see how brown and beautiful it turned out. Let's see how it... Oh, it smells so good. Another winner. It's the Swiss cheese that makes it so good. I don't know. I just love, of course, I love Swiss cheese. Let me take some of the bread. I'm telling you, that's a winner. That's a quick winner, too. Just throw it together. It took exactly 1 hour. I covered with aluminum foil, took the aluminum foil off, 15 more minutes, and it was bubbly and brown like that. Try it. I think you'll like it. I hope you do try it because it really is that good. Subscribe, ring that bell. Remember the joy and all the people that we should be remembering right now. Take care of yourself. See you soon.